Hi everybody, my name is Mike Tarnowski. I'm from Nuance, covering the Dragon law enforcement product for the West Coast.
Hi everybody, I'm Marcus Claycomb with Panasonic of North America. I am the National Business Development Manager for Public Sector.
And we're here today to talk to you about the partnership between Panasonic and their Toughbooks and Nuance's Dragon law enforcement solution. So those that aren't familiar with Dragon law enforcement or Dragon as a whole is that Dragon is a speaker-dependent technology, which simply means that the more you use Dragon, it gets catered specifically to your voice. It sets it apart from every other speech technology that's on the market because those are called speaker independent. With Dragon, what you can do is customize vocabulary, create auto text, everything that you think is all about you and how you say things can be added into Dragon to make sure that it works the best possible way for you. On the law enforcement side, areas that we really want to focus on is officer safety and efficiency. So with Dragon, you're able to use this microphone here, the Power Mic 3, to be heads up in the vehicle, either running plates or doing a dictation of your narrative. The other great thing behind Dragon is that we don't care what application you're in. It can be CAD, it can be RMS, it doesn't matter which company you use for it. It could be Outlook, it could be Word. If you can put your cursor in there and type, you're going to be able to use Dragon and do your dictation, and I'll show you here. So I'm just going to transition for this demonstration into Microsoft Word. The great thing behind Dragon and using this microphone is that we don't do any type of active listening. There's nothing you can say to Dragon when using a microphone for it to start picking up what you're saying. Just like you would use a radio, you press the middle button on the Power Mic, the microphone at the top is gonna go from red to green, and that means that Dragon's listening to you. At no other time will Dragon listen to you. So a sample narrative could look something like this. On November 17th, 2021, at approximately 11:32 a.m., I was dispatched to the Kay Jewelers at 1 Wayside Commons in Burlington, Massachusetts to investigate the 211 from the night before, period. Upon approaching the store, I noticed the front left window was smashed and there were 2 bricks missing from the sidewalk, period. New paragraph. I spoke with the store manager, Mr. Fred Brown, and he agreed to show me security footage from the night before, period. On November 16th, 2021, at approximately 9:32 p.m., a black Ford Taurus, license plate number sign, enter plate Bravo Charlie Mike 93 Delta, end plate, approached the store and 2 men exited the vehicle, period. So it's as simple as that. You put that cursor into the field that you need it to be and do your dictation. There's a couple really cool aspects behind Dragon 2 that really goes into the efficiency of it and standardization, and it's what we call an auto text. So think of this as just simplified, standardized text that's either always the same or with variable change. A couple examples will look something like this. Insert tip line, and all that text appears for you on the screen right there. You could have something even shorter with variable change, like insert speeding citation. And here you can use the Power Mic and just go from field to field and be able to fill it out with your voice. 88, next field, Connolly Road, next field, DeLorean. And the great thing is these auto texts can be made on an individual basis and also on an agency basis. So there's no more reports that are different. Everything can always be done the same for each individual officer and every officer as a whole.
I gotta be honest, so before I came to Panasonic, I did 30 years in law enforcement, and one of the things that strikes me most out of this, the premier thing, is the officer safety aspect of it. Having been in a patrol car at 2 o'clock in the morning, in the middle of the night, trying to write a report, head down, uplit by the keyboard on multiple occasions, this allows you to keep your eyes out of the vehicle and maintain situational awareness while generating a report. Moreover, the efficiency and effectiveness that comes with the ability to speak the report instead of typing it lets you speak it multiple times faster than you could possibly type it, which is shown in the Ogden video. But it also makes the report more complete and more correct because you're getting more information in the report and being more efficient in doing it. So not only is that beneficial for the officer, that's beneficial for criminal investigations and the state attorney for furthering those investigations and for prosecution. It also increases the efficiency and effectiveness of your staff, which gets this done faster so that they can be back on the street and doing police work. So, I mean, it really is a number of benefits that we didn't have 30 years ago, and I can certainly appreciate that.
Absolutely. So that's kind of the overview of Dragon Law Enforcement. We're partnered with Panasonic on this solution, working to bring Dragon into every agency across the country. So our contact information is going to be at the end of this video. Feel free to reach out for additional demos or even pilots of our solution.
Thanks very much. Thanks very much for letting us be a part.